Mr. Sanju, congratulations on securing All India rank 24 in production paper in the GATE 2024.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Sanju, it seems you have availed from Yes Academy, the Yes Academy classroom coaching at our Hyderabad Kotapet branch. With this
Yes, sir.
coaching in classroom coaching in the mechanical branch, you cracked the GATE exam in the production paper with the 24th rank.
Yes, sir.
May I know your rank in the mechanical paper, Sanju, if you don't mind?
Yes, sir. It's 1882.
Okay, right. So, mechanical engineering preparation in the mechanical paper 1882, but in the production paper 24.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Mr. Sanju, what is the score for this production 24th rank? Score, GATE score.
Score is 59.33.
Score.
Sorry, score 738. 738.
Marks are 59.
Mark 15.33.
58.33 and the score is
59, sir. 59.33.
okay. Score
738. 738.
738. What are mechanical marks?
Mechanical 47 mark, then 575 rank. Sorry, score.
Score how much?
575.
575. So ultimately, it is the score that governs your admissions, right?
Nice, sir.
Score is the main criteria in the MTech admissions. So your score in the PA paper is reasonably good.
Nice.
Sanju, can I ask you the question? Why you are able to score relatively good marks, good rank, good score in the PA paper, not so in the mechanical paper? What will be your answer if I ask like this?
Actually, I prepare more in the production area, and I am more also that good. And paper also comparatively easy for production when compared to mechanical.
Okay.
Mainly that's the main reason. And at the time of mechanical paper also, I was also I was mentally some problems with me. Then
okay, no
I don't
problem.
able to.
It happens. Okay,
Yes,
don't get disappointed there. What is the BTech branch of engineering? Is it production or mechanical?
Hello, mechanical engineering.
Mechanical. Okay. Sanju, you please tell us how this AS Academy classroom coaching at Hyderabad Center helped you in your GATE preparation and securing that rank 24 in the PI paper?
So mainly the faculty said they are very good and they teach us very properly and they clear each and every concept. And if we ask any doubt, they will clear that doubt also. If we are asking between the class, then they will stop the class and they will answer our doubts and they will move on. Especially when coming to the coaching side, the classes are very good and the main theory part, and they will take it. They'll simplify the theory part. So for basic understanding will be clear. Then after that, it's all about preparation and revision strategy. So from their side, I think mainly most of the faculties are very good and they will teach us very properly.
Okay. So you tell us this classroom coaching, the quality of the lectures, the class notes, and the booklets what you give, are they sufficient for your GATE preparation?
So on theory side, I think they are sufficient. Their notes are very good. I can assure you that the notes are very good. And then from the numerical parts, well, then I take some, like I solved the previous year problems of other branch questions also. Then I take some good questions from some standard books, etc. But I believe that in the classroom they can take all these things, so they don't. There won't be enough time for that. So from the theory part and basic questions they will do in the class. Then after that, I took the questions also.
Okay. See, Mr. Sanju, for this question part, you might have solved the PYQs.
Yes, sir. I saw the BYQs from other branch paper also,
Yeah.
like production,
From
XE,
this
etc.
practice also, you might have taken some of the mock tests.
Yes, sir. I took the mock test
Mm.
from ACE, and I took, I think, I saw 20 nearly mock tests.
Okay. Okay, Sanju, from this, in your journey of preparation, what you have seen, right? So, can
Mm.
you please give some points or tips which are useful for the aspirants of the GATE exam in mechanical and production paper?
Yeah, sure, sir. Ultimately, see, revision is the main important thing. Whatever we learn, but more than whatever we learn, revision is more important. How much we revise, it will at the end of the month, like during the month of December or January. See, whatever we revise, that thing will all be in our hand. Sometimes I have also faced that issue uh, during the like December, January time. Um, the whatever I revise more, that will be in my mind. But other things will actually we forgot that things. So revision is very important, and I need to prepare the short notes. Short notes are very important. So at that time, we cannot revise all these the notes, etc. But one thing we miss is we don't prepare the short note or something for the questions also. We only prepare short note in case of theory part. But since GATE is a numerical based exam, the no the questions are also very important. So we need to mark some good quality questions, and some questions that cover all the uh, parts of that subject. So at least we need to revise these questions also. Then only at the time of exam we can solve these questions. Otherwise, we will forget that the way of doing the things. Especially in mechanical, I face that issue. Some questions, okay, I feel that I can solve that question, but at the while solving, I did not get. There was two questions like that in mechanical also. So main thing, revision is the important thing. We need to prepare short notes, and we also prepare. We need to mark some good questions also for the revision. So that's the main thing we need to
Okay.
prepare.
So, well said, Sanju. I think these points will be useful to the aspirants of the GATE exam of mechanical branch. And I once again
Okay.
congratulate you and wish you all good luck in all your future endeavors.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.